In the previous video, we have learned what is AI, the difference between AI and human, some real life examples of AI in daily life. Now, today we will learn the types of AI and AI versus ML versus DL and their meaning. Types of AI. Basic idea. There are three types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI that does one task only. Example, YouTube recommendation, Google Map. Today we mostly use narrow AI. All the AIs you are using today are narrow AI. Then general AI that can do many tasks like humans and can think like human. It is not yet fully developed. Then there are super AI, more intelligent and some smarter than humans. It's a future concept. Now let's understand something more important. Artificial intelligence versus machine learning, ML versus deep learning. AI is a big concept. Machine doing smart work. Machine learning means AI learns from data and improves automatically. Example, YouTube learns what you watch. Then deep learning is advanced learning. In other words, it is advanced machine learning. Works like human brain, uses neural network. Example, face recognition, voice assistant. So AI is big. ML is inside AI and DL is inside ML. Now, what I spoke just now may be a bit confusing. So let's take a simple analogy. Let's take an example. Learning to identify foods. Machine learning to identify foods. First is artificial intelligence. The goal is to make machine identify foods. Let's have the question. This is a mango or an apple? This idea is AI. Then the next is machine learning. How machine learns. Show 1,000 apple photos and 1,000 mango photos. Machine learns patterns. Mango is yellow and oval. Apple is red and round. This learning from data is machine learning. Deep learning, DL, more advanced learning, looks at tiny data, uses layer like brain, learns automatically, no manual rules. Example, recognizes face, understands voice. This advanced learning is deep learning. Let us take some real life example to explain this concept. Example, YouTube. AI recommends video. Machine learning learns what you watch. Deep learning improves accuracy. Better suggestion. Then next example, voice assistant. Alexa or Siri. AI talks to you. Machine learning learns your commands. Deep learning understands voice deeply. Now consider, how do you learn cycling? Answer, practice again and again. This is machine language. And then you balance automatically. This is deep learning. So, human learning by experience, this is machine learning, and brain processes deeply, this is deep learning.